Section number 4 of DSA using C++ series. I am Karan Purnatkar and today we will unravel the world of string in C++. That is, string are one of the most crucial data structure in programming. Think about it, everything from storing a username to searching for a term on Google involves string. Okay, so in this session, you will learn the basic of string, that is how they stored and managed. Then we are giving like operations like concatenation, then comparison, and then substring. And after that, we are moving forward to advanced operation like tokenization, pattern searching, and then palindrome checking. And then we are taking a two example of real world example. That is, first one is a word counter, and second one is a email validator. That is email validator. That is email is correct or not. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started with the basic of string in C++. Okay, so string where represent an array as array of character. These array are null terminated, meaning they end with the special character /0. Okay, so I will write the code like basic code, then you will know what I am writing and what this mean. Okay, so let's go to our editor. Yeah, I zoom it out because because like कोड तुम लोगों को दिखते नहीं है, that's why I just zoom it out. Okay, so using namespace std, then we are writing integer name main, and then here we are taking a character name. Okay, and then in this I write Arjun. Okay, this mean array of character, that is array of characters. Okay, then we have to print the name, that is cout, and then we write name, make it suitable, then we have to again write that is name string and endl. Okay, this means that is string output of string, output of string. Okay, and our last and friendly line, that is return 0. Okay, I hope we did not get any type of error, and let's run the code. Yeah, so we get the name Arjun. Okay, that is character name. Okay, like this one. Okay, create an array of character with 6 slot. Make sure that is here is only 5. Okay, but it's make a slot of 6. That is, I will write it here. Just a second, I will make it and comment it out and write it here. That is array. That is first one is a r j un, and the last one is 0. Okay, so this like, and this is 0 means nothing but the /0. Okay, this is what it's make. Okay, then the null character, that is /0, indicate the end of the string, ensuring function like cout know where to stop. It means like it's print the value and it's then stop printing like after arjun. Okay, the I hope you get what I am to say. Then the second is like limitation, like if we are something using, so there is something limitation as well. So the first is fixed size. You can't dynamically resize character array. Once you decide the character, that's it, the fix. Then lack of built-in function for easy manipulation. Okay, so there are lot of built-in functions. So yeah, the next is we are going to move further, that is string class. Okay, we use the string class which is a part of STL, that is standard template library. It's offer dynamic size, flexibility, and built-in method. Okay, again we are writing a simple code on it, and then we will check it correct it or not. So I will remove it out. So yeah, in this we write, make it correctly. Just a second. Yeah, correct. So we are taking a name as string name. Okay, and we are giving a name again Arjun. Okay, and that's it. This is using string class. We are using now string class. Lastly, we are using array string class. Okay, then we have to again print the name of this, that is string, and same as that before that we write the code. Okay, name and endl. Okay, this is mean output of the string, and then our friendly and our best friend, that is return 0. It's not k0, it's 0. So let's run, and I hope I did not get any type of error. So yeah, name error, so make it something interactive like this. So let's run again, and we get the output, that is name Arjun. Okay, that is the string class handle memory management internally, that is it's handle all the functions in internally. Okay, so you don't need to worry about null termination or size constraint. Okay, and it's offer method like length, substring, and more. Okay, so the next is we are moving to the operation, like what type of operations are used in string. So let's go. Yeah, the first one is like string concatenation. Its pronunciation bit little bit. Yeah, I hope you understand. Yeah, so it means we can combine two string. That is, if I write something strg something Karan, and again string 2 I write something uh, loser, loser, loser. क्या spelling है loser की? Just a second. Write it as अर्ज. ठीक है, loser को जाने दो, spelling नहीं आ रहा. Yeah, then so we can write the code of these as well, like how to combine two strings. So let's go to editor again. So yeah, we take it as a first one. Let's remove it out, don't remove that part. We are taking a string, then we writing first name. Okay, write John. Then again we are taking string, then we are writing last name, and then we are taking a string for full name. Then we here we write first name, make a space, and add last name. Okay, and after this we have to write the last code, that is cout full name. I will write it here, that is full name, and write it as full name, and make sure to endl for new line. I hope we did not get any type of error in this. So let's run. So yeah, the full name is John Doe. Its means that is plus join first name and the last with a space in between. You can take it here. Yeah, this is a space in between. Okay, and then the result is stored in a full name. That is, this is the result. It's stored in this, like it's working like a formula that we are using. The next one, that is string length. So let's run. That is string length. Okay, this means to find the number of character in a string, we use dot length slash, and we use dot size. Okay, then we are again using this in our editor. So let's remove it out, and we will write again string, take a, make it as str, and write something uh what hello world we are writing. Okay, hello world, and make it as complete, that is semicolon. Okay, and then we have to write cout str, that's it. And or we can write like in this we write length. Okay, and then we are taking it like this, and just a second, I make it mistake here something. Yeah, and then we write str dot length, length, length. Okay, and then last but not the least, that is endl. So let's run. What we get, the length of the hello world, that is 11, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is its length started from 0, 1, not from 0. There is nothing like length is 0. So let's check, like h is 1 2 3 4 5, space between these take a one length, that is 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and if I write exclamation in again, so then we get a 12. Yeah, so you get a 12. I hope you get the output like understand the code. Okay, so let's again move toward our next operation, that is third operation, and it's a accessing character. That is, string can be treated like array to access individual character. That is, we can access a individual character from this as well. Okay, so let's again go to our editor. Yeah, in this we write like something, make a change. Yeah, in this I write hello Arjun. Okay, he is my brother. Okay, and then just joking, then again we have to write C out, and then we write first name. Okay, or we can say first letter, something whatever you want to write. We are taking a letter, so we will write a letter as well. Okay, so first letter, and in this we write string index 0. That is, you just make sure array start from 0, not from 1. Okay, and then C out and endl, then our friendly line, that is return 0. Okay, so without running the code, you tell me what we get the answer. If you figure it out, our answer is A, then let's check. And yeah, your answer is correct, we get the letter A. And if you write something like 5, let's run, because the index is from, there is nothing like 5. Okay, the size is up to 4, hence index, that is array start from 0, so we get the n. Okay, I hope you understand. Then the next is substring extraction. That is, we can extract part of a string using dot substring, and then we write start index and the length of that array. Okay, that is 0 is a starting index, and I will explain you in this code like what I am telling to you. So let's run again. I mean, let's remove this code and write it again. That is string str, and again we are writing hello world, hello world. Yeah, and then we are writing string substring. I hope I write str only. Okay, and then it's here we write str dot substring, that is 0 comma 5. Okay, that means it's extract the value from 0 to 5 index, that is 0 1 2 3 4 here. Okay, this one. Okay, so make it semicolon, I write it here like extract hello. Okay, and then the last line, our last line is, just a second. Yeah, so the last line is our cout types. We have to print the substring, it's str. Okay, or we can say substring as well, and then run the code, so we get only hello. Okay, that is, it's only extract the value, and if we write from 5 to something like we'll take like 0 1 2, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we write something 10, so 5 to 10. So let's run, what we get the value, that is, we get the world with space. If we write 6, we did not get the space here. Yeah, okay, I hope you get what I mean to you. Then the last one, that is string comparison. So let's go. Yeah, string comparison, that is, it's very easy. You know what is meant by comparison. Equals to means that is LHS is equals to the RHS and less than, greater than, like that. Okay, so we directly take an example of this as well. And not only this, there are a lot of like comparison operators in it. Okay, so yeah, just a second. So we take something, take a string a equals to a for, bolo, yeah, apple. Okay, and then take a comma, you can write it here as well separate. B equals to banana, C equals to carrot. Okay, we are just taking two, not three as well. Okay, so then we apply if condition. If a less than b, that is a less than b, okay, then C out apple comes before banana, BANANA, bananas, banana. Okay, and then last line, that is written 0. So let's run. So yeah, apple come before banana. This is the example, that is string can compare lexicographically similar to dictionary. It's basically compare, that is a letter come first, then b letter come after the a. Okay, this is me. So moving further to our next topic, that is advanced string operation. Okay, the first one is, that is reversing a string. We can reverse a string using a STL, that is standard template library function, using only reverse function. Okay, for this I will first tell you this all, and then we are making a in one, like we are taking three examples, then we are making it like four, then I will explain you one by one in our code editor. Okay, the next we are checking palindrome check. A palindrome read the same forward and backward, मतलब सामने से भी वही पड़ेगा, पीछे से भी वही पड़ेगा. Okay, and then we are taking a tokenization, that is breaking a string into smaller piece. Okay, this is nothing but a tokenization. And then we are taking a fourth one, that is pattern searching, that is search for a specific substring using find, like find dot, like if you want to search something, you can search from this, like find. So we are taking a four example in it now, so let's run one by one. So I will write first, that is we are taking reversing a string. Okay, so the first is, that is integer, we take a string str current. Okay, and then in this we write reverse, in bracket we write str dot begin. Okay, and str dot end. Okay, and make it this, and after this we write cout reverse, reverse, just a second, rever, reverse string is. Okay, and then we write str and handle, and our last friendly line, that is return 0. Okay, so I hope we did not get any type of error in this, but yeah, we get the, like it's char. So let's run, or it's basically we are taking it as a string as well. So yeah, here what we get the error is, yeah, we miss out the column. So let's run the code, that is we get the reverse string is current. We get reverse string, right? So just a second, we make it here something mistake, I guess. So wait a second. uh, we have to just reverse it out. That is representing, we get a narak, not a karan. Okay, so just a second. That is string name karan, and after that we define something, and then we use directly reverse. Yeah, I did not use the library called algorithm. Include algorithm. Okay, and then in this we don't have to use this string, and then we write reverse string, and I hope now it's get narak, not karan. Yeah, we get the reverse of karan, that is narak. Okay, I hope you understand. Like I did not use the library, that's why we get the error in it. The next one, that is the palindrome check. So let's write it again. I removed this part only. And okay, just a second. Yeah, I will remove it out from here. And now we have to install again the one library, that is include string. Okay, we have to and then this, after this we directly write the code. That is, first take a bool is pa palindrome, then we write string and character, and after this we are taking the, that is integer start equals to 0 and end equals to str dot, then we are taking a length of the string, that is length minus 1, that is minus 1. Okay, and then we apply the while condition, that is while start less than end. Okay, then in this we write again if condition, if start is not equals to the start end, then return false. Okay, and then after this we get a return false, we just make sure to write it here as a, just a second, we get start start plus plus and end minus minus. Okay, because we have to increase the start and decrease the end. Okay, then if this condition is not correct, then we write return true. Okay, and then the last line after this is string. Just so yeah, string 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 word. We take something madam. Okay, and again write cout. Yeah, just a second, is yeah, p alin palindrome. Okay, then in bracket we write word x again word. Okay, and then we write it here as like, after this we make it as a question mark for a palindrome or not palindrome. Okay, and after all these like this we just write endl. Okay, so it's, and then last our line, that is return 0, and it's not truer, it's true, true, true. I hope we did not get any type of error. So let's run. Yeah, we get the error, that is command said with extract using the negative enunciation, that is error. Just a second, I will check it. check it out, like which line we get there. Start. Hmm, let's run again. That is error line command failed with extra code 1. Use the minus way to see innovative. Make that is mark file 10. So what exactly it means? The string is not equals to then we write false and we have to make it as a, and then we have to just remove this, and yeah, this is here and this line is here. So we get error again in line number 19 and 20. That is, just a second, we did not write here, that is integer main, integer main. Yeah, I hope we did not get error right now. So yeah, not palindrome. Okay, yeah, fine. There is a, to make sure array is okay, like madam, madam, it's showing not palindrome, but like if the input is madam, the output will be madam is a palindrome. Okay, like, and if the, like, but we get the value that is palindrome, but it's yet not palindrome because madam is a palindrome. Just we make it as a m, small m. So let's run. Yeah, because it's the later difference as well. If you are taking a capital M, then the first letter and the last letter is same as well. So if you are taking a capital M in starting and as well as in the ending, then you get the correct, that is palindrome. Okay, and if the one is capital and the other letter is small, so then you get the error as well in this. I hope you get the, like what I am telling to you, because I am also confused in that, because of why it's we get the error. That's all. And then we have to again write the another code, that is tokenization. So I will remove it out and we write the other code as well. So okay, just a second. Yeah, I will remove it out all these. Just a second. Wait a second. Yeah. So using, it's not capital, using namespace std. Okay, then we are taking an integer main, and in this we are writing a again string sentence, and in this we writing a, like, just a second, C++ is amazing, 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 AGLANGUAGE, amazing language. Okay, I know you did not get like it's amazing or not, but yeah, I'm sure it's amazing. Then we write string stram. Okay, that is string ss, and in this we write sentence senten, sentence. Okay, and then we apply while loop. While we have to make a take a library as well. Okay, so wait a second, I will take it as well. Like first we write our while loop command, then I will write that, like I will import the libraries as well, that is cout word and endl, and the last line, that is our last line, is return 0. So yeah, we have to add a two library, that is first one is a include string, and the another one is, that is hash include ss string. Okay, So yeah, we did not get any type of error in this, like yeah, we did not declare what is meant by word then. Okay, so wait a second. Yeah, it's declared as a string word. Okay, so I hope we did not get any type of error, and let's run this. So yeah, we get the line by line code, that is C++ is amazing. Okay, I hope you get like what I am telling to you. This is win by tokenization, that is it's divide this into part by token, that is C++ is amazing language. Okay, and then after this we are writing the last code, that is palindrome. We are right now we are writing a pattern searching, not palindrome. Palindrome we already covered. Okay, so again remove it out and I will write the code. So yeah, we did not get this library in our code. Now we just make it string. So let's again write string text. Okay, because we are writing some text here, that is welcome to C++ series, series. Yeah, series. Okay, and then just a second. Yeah, then we write string and make a one keyword, that is keyword equals to we are making it as let's say C++. Okay, and then after this we write size of t, like we are now getting a what the size of t, and found equals to text dot find keyword, keyword and semicolon. Okay, and then we apply condition if it's found, like found is not equals to the string npos. Okay, then we take write it as like cout keyword found at index, like what the where we found the index, that we write it here. And then if not found, then we apply again else condition, and in else condition we it's else, not sl. We write cout, that is keyword not found in the index. Okay, and the last line, that is endl, and everyone know what we are writing, that our best friend, that is return 0. So yeah, we did not get, I hope so we did not get any type of error. So let's run. So yeah, keyword found at index 11, that is, yeah, we are making it, make it little bit user. Let's run again. So we get 11, that is C++. So let's check like the keyword where we found, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, like we are starting from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, that is C++ 11 12 13. And if you change the keyword a like 2, so we get that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I hope so we get the index 8. Yeah, so we get the index 8. Okay, so these four we are taking right now. Like first one is what we are taking. Yeah, first one is reversing a string, then we are taking a palindrome check, then we are taking a tokenization, and then we are moving further to the pattern search. Then now we are taking a two real world example. First one is the word counter, and the second one is the email validation. Okay, so I will remove it out, and just a second. Yeah, so this is what we are taking. Like first one is a word counter and second one is the email validation. So I will directly moving toward you to editor without wasting our time, and we are writing the both code and make sure to understand what I am writing in it and all the stuff that I am telling to you. Okay, so just a second, my mouse is not working correctly. Yeah. Yeah, it's running. Yeah, fine. Again, remove it out all, and we are first writing. We are taking a SS stream library here. SS stream. Okay, and in this we are writing first that is integer main, and then string. We taking a text as C++ make life easier. I'm taking anything that I just whatever in coming in my mind. Then we are writing string stream, and again ss that we already take the example like how it's used. Okay, and then we write a string word after this. Okay, it's basically string, right? Yeah. So we apply like we are taking integer count equals to we are taking 0. I hope we get some error here. So let's first write the code, then we are checking like what we get the error in. Then ss ss is greater than what? Then write cout plus plus. Okay, or else cout word count, and we write the count value, and then this is the last one. So yeah, we get some error here. So let's check one by one like what we get, that is integer count 0, stram stream. What it means, it's just a second. Yeah, it's not separate out, it's not same. And then we get here that is cout plus plus c. It's not cout, it's count count. We have to increase the count value. So yeah, the count, the word count is 4, that is c plus plus make like that is 1 2 3. We are writing something is easier and career. There is no meaning of this sentence, so just we get 6. Okay, this is mean like this program count the number of word in a given string. Okay, so a word is defined as a sequence of characters separated by a space, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and this one is the sixth one. Then after this we are taking one example, that is email validation. That is mean by email is correct or not, that is it's valid or not. So then we are using boolean, that is bool is validate, 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 or we can say is like is email valid email, valid valid email, email. Okay, and take its space here. I'm making too much mistake today, I don't know why. That is v and e is in capital. Make sure that we are writing string and string email. Okay, and in this we are writing the our code, that is return email dot find. Okay, and in this we are writing at the rate, when we are writing the email we use at the rate gmail.com. So for that we are using this. Okay, then is not equals to string. Okay, and in this we are again applying the other condition, and okay, we are turning on the storage here. Okay, so just a second, something is okay. And email dot find. Yeah, I will do that after this. String find uh, we are taking two string and one space here. Okay, and again not equals to string 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 np os. Okay, this is what we writing, and then after this condition we write our normal, that is integer mai and main, and it's too much space here, and in this we write string email. uh, let's take some example, that is Karan Matkar something 22 or 0. Okay, like that, and then we write at the rate gmail.com. Okay, this is not my email id. If you want to check, you can check it as well. I'm just writing a sample email id here, and then we apply if condition. If is valid email is equals to valid, then cout, we write, just a second, cout it's a valid email id, or else we have to check for the other, else cout invalid email id. And last but not the least, our best friend, that is return 0. So let's run the code, valid email id, and if I not write at the rate in it, so let's run, it's get invalid email id to us. Okay, like if there is no at the rate, so there is no email verification that is it's like it's correct or not, so that's why it's we get the invalid email id. So that's it for today, guys. We explore string from their basic to advanced operation. String are a powerful tool for solving real world problem, and mastering them will make you a better programmer. In the next lecture, we will deeper dive into recursion and its application. Okay, like I will write it at right, recursion and its application. We are taking more example on it, so don't think about it. Like I'll just give you the brief introduction of recursion in the next lecture, but we are making more practice on these all this stuff. After that we are moving further to the recursion. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.